A combination is when you are picking the order of things, or you're selecting things from a group. So let's say, let's stick with the school theme. So let's say you have 12 students that are going back to class from lunch. How many different orders of lines can they walk in? How many different orders can they walk in a line? Combinations. Okay, combinations. So let's just think about this question for a second. This is just about the easiest type of combination that we can start with. So let's say 12 students are walking back to class. How many different orders can they walk in? Okay, so now let's think of these students walking in line. For the very first student in line, you've got 12 different students. The first student in line, well, it could be any of the 12 different students, right? So there's nobody in line yet. How many different people could be first? Well, 12 different people. How many different people could be second? Okay, well, we already put one student first, so there are 11 students left. So how many different people could be second? Well, 11 different people, because we already picked one of them. Right now, how many different people can be third? Okay, we put one student first, and we put one student second, so we're down 2. So we can only put 10 different people third. So this goes on and on for the whole list, right? So, so the first person in line could be 12 different people. The second person in line could be 11 different people, because we already picked one. Third person in line could be 10 different people, etc. And the last person in line, well, once we've picked every single other person, the last person in line is going to be that person. They're the only one left. So to see the combination, how many different orders, so we can pick 12 different people for that one, times 11 different people for second, times 10 different people for third, times 9, times 8, times times 2, times 1 equals some very big number. So if you have 12 different students walking to class, how many different orders can they walk in? This giant, giant number. So you can see combination 2, very big, very quickly. The terminology for the arithmetic that we just did is called factorial. That's an A, factorial. All right. So factorial is written like this, 12 exclamation point. And 12 exclamation point is the representative way of writing this. 12 times all the numbers until you get to 1. So if I wrote 3 factorial, like this, 3 exclamation point, that equals 3 times 2 times 1. So the exclamation point means that number times every number 1 less until you get to 1. 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1.